Hello students, you are welcome in Relations and Functions part 8. Now we want to do some questions of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 2 NCRT. Now this is first question of miscellaneous exercise. In this we are given a relation gx. Gx is defined as x square when 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2, and gx is 3x when 2 is less than equal to x less than equal to 10. So you have to find whether gx is a function or not. Now to prove gx function, so every element should have unique image. Now to check the uniqueness of the image, you observe this gx. Now gx is x square when 0 is less than equal to x less than equal to 2. So equal sign is there. So 2 value, it is repeating again. So for x is equal to 2, the gx is 3x square. For x is equal to 2, gx is also 3x. It means there is possibility that the function gx will have different value when x is equal to 2. So you can check it. Now you find out g2. It means we are finding image of 2 under g. So because x is equal to 2 in this part, so that's why we will put x is equal to 2 in this relation. So 2 square, which is 4. It means image of 2 is 4. It can be written like this: 2 4 belongs to G set. Now similarly, x is equal to 2 is also present in this interval. So therefore we can evaluate G2 using this relation. So evaluate G2 and replace x by 2. It is equal to 6. It means image of 2 is 6. Now 2 is having two different images. It means image of 2 is not unique. So therefore G is not a function. I hope it is clear. Now move on to the next third question. Fx is given this is a rational function, and we have to find domain of fx. Now you can recall domain of the rational function. So to find out domain of rational function, we have to put the denominator not equal to 0. So denominator means x square minus 8x plus 12. It should not be equal to 0. Why it is not equal to 0? When denominator will be 0, then fx will not be defined. It will be infinity, we can say, not defined. So this denominator should not be equal to 0. We can solve this, and you will have x not equal to 6 and x not equal to 2. So therefore domain is x not equal to 6 and x not equal to 2. In the form of set, we can write like this: R minus set containing two elements 6 2. Or in interval form we can write like this. So these are two answers of this question. I hope it is clear. Now move on to the sixth question of miscellaneous exercise. We have to find out range of f, where f is equal to the ordered pair x square upon 1 plus x square, where x is any real number. Now it means fx is equal to x square upon 1 plus x square. Image of x under f is this relation. So we can write fx is x square upon 1 plus x square, where x is any real number. Now for all, this symbol represents for all x belongs to R, x square is always positive. Being a square quantity, we can put any value negative or positive. X square will always be positive. If x square is positive, then 1 plus x square will always be greater than x square, because this is 1 plus some positive quantity. This is only a positive quantity, so this is always greater. It means x square upon 1 plus x square, this denominator is always greater than numerator. It means this value will be always less than 1, and this value will never be less than 0. It can't be negative. So that's why the possible values of this fx is only 0 to 1 closed at 0. So this value is less than 1. I hope it is clear. This is range of this function. Now move on to the next question, 8th. F is any function from z to z defined by f is 1 1 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 1 and minus 3. Now fx is given ax plus b, then find values of a and b. It means if 1 1 is element of f, it means image of 1 is 1. This one is equal to x, this one is equal to fx. So this is x and this is fx. So you put the values here, you put x is equal to 1 and fx is equal to 1. So this relation will be 1 is equal to a plus b, mark it number 1. You can consider any other element. We are taking 2 3. 2 3 is also element of f. It means this is x and this is fx. So replace x by 2 and fx by 3 in this relation. So you will have 3 is equal to 2a plus b, mark it number 2 equation. You solve 1 and 2 equation using elimination method and find the values of a and b. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. These are the required values. I hope it is clear to you. Now the next 12th question. A is a set containing elements 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. F is a function from a to n. Now fn is the highest prime factor of n, where n is element of a. Now it means to find out image of 9 under f, so you have to do prime factorization. Prime factors of 9 are 3 and 3. Now what is the highest prime factor present in this? That is 3. So it means highest prime factor in 9 is 3. So it means image of 9 is 3. Similarly, you consider the next element 10. We will find out image of 10. Now you find prime factors of 10. It is 2 into 5. Now what is highest among 2? So 5 is the highest prime factor. It means image of 10 is 5. So similarly, we can find image of 11. F11 is 11. 11, the prime factorization will be 11 into 1. So highest prime factor is 11. Similarly, highest prime factor of this out of 12, that will be 3, because prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. So image of 13 is 13, because 13 itself a prime number. So that's why range is 3, 5, 11 and 13. So this is range of this function. So we have to calculate. I hope it is clear. You try the remaining questions. Thank you.